everyone, welcome back to Shiza's Playroom. I'm going to read you a story called A Barn Full of Hats. One day, 4 farm animals found a box in the barn. They opened it up. What was inside? Hats, and more hats. Look at all those hats. Who wants one? Asked Hen. I do, cried Horse. It's smart to wear a hat. A hat will keep the sun out of my eyes. Hen stuck her head in the box. She pulled out a flat, round hat. Try this hat, Hen told Horse. No, that hat is too flat, said Horse. A flat hat makes a good nest, clucked Hen. So she took the hat and she marched away. Pig pushed his head in the box. He pulled out a bright red hat. Put on this hat, Pig told Horse. No, that hat is too red, said Horse. A red hat was fine, grunt Pig. So he put on the hat and he marched away. Cat poked her head in the box. She pulled out a thick yarn hat. Try this hat, Cat told Horse. No, that hat is too thick, said Horse. Thick yarn is nice, said Cat. I will take the whole hat apart so I can play with the yarn. She dragged the hat away. So many hats, but none for me, sighed Horse. Just then, Farmer Clark came into the barn. His hat was large and floppy. If only I had that hat, said Horse. That will shade my eyes. Horse grabbed the hat in his teeth. Farmer Clark laughed. He put the hat on Horse. It stayed on with no trouble. It fits well, Farmer Clark said. Horse trot on the barnyard. Clip clop. He held his head high. Yes, this is the hat for me, said Horse. The end. I hope you like this story called A Barn Full of Hats. Well, a barn full of hats. Subscribe if you like it. Give a big thumbs up. Bye. I will see you next time.